I'm Joe Gitter, a test cook at America's Test Kitchen. We've teamed up with the Museum of Science in Boston to talk about sustainable cooking. Picture this. You're about to open a can of chickpeas for a chickpea salad. The recipe calls for rinsed chickpeas, so you reach for the strainer. But wait, the starchy liquid you're about to dump down the drain is cooking gold. Aquafaba is a thick, starchy liquid left over from a can of chickpeas. It can act as an emulsifier, a stabilizer, and it can even form its own foam. It's rich in the proteins albumin and globulin, both of which are found in egg whites, and it means you can use aquafaba as a plant-based alternative when making mayonnaise, thickening soups, or even binding bean burgers. But it also works really well in desserts. So let's make some crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside, Aquafaba Meringue cookies. First of all, give your can a shake to redistribute all the starches and proteins, then strain that can of Aquafaba. Whisking occasionally, microwave some sugar and the Aquafaba until the sugar has dissolved. It'll take 30 to 60 seconds. Let the mixture cool slightly, then whisk in some cornstarch. Using a stand mixer, whip the Aquafaba mixture, some vanilla, some cream of tartar, and a little salt until glossy, stiff peaks form. This is what stiff peaks look like. The peak stays straight up when you turn it over. Place your meringue in a large piping bag and pipe meringues onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 1 hour in a 225-degree oven. Turn off the oven and let the meringues cool in the oven for at least 1 hour so they can dry out and get super crispy. Remove them from the oven and let them cool completely before serving. You don't even need to crack an egg to make these meringues. Just by using an ingredient you'd normally throw out, you're practicing sustainable cooking. These meringues are delightful. Very crunchy on the outside with a little bit of that chew. You get a sweetness with the vanilla offset with a little bit of that acidity from the cream of tartar. So good. Remember, if you're draining a can of chickpeas, do not throw away that liquid. There is a whole world of cooking possibilities to be had with Aquafaba. To get this recipe and more, go to americastestkitchen.com. Go to mos.org/earthshot and check out the Museum of Science in Boston to learn more about living sustainably.